Hi my beautiful family and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to give you this beautiful pink makeup look using this Conspiracy palette. Now I've been using this for weeks since I got it, and I did get my hands on it when it launched, but I didn't film any review with this palette yet. I am definitely going to do so, but I didn't film it yet because I really wanted to try and use all of the shades. I wanted to do this other kind of reviews than I normally do. I also bought the Tati Beauty palette, and I'm using that one too for weeks. So those two palettes are the ones that I'm using for weeks, and I just want to do a different kind of video talking about colors, consistency, and how they work for amateurs, for someone that doesn't do makeup professionally like I do. And today I created this makeup look with this palette, so if you want to see, then please keep on watching. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.